Today I'm going to share with you how to make these tasty Traeger smoked chicken enchiladas. They're really easy to make. You can prep them in advance, and it all starts with this really delicious homemade enchilada sauce. Now you could also just store-buy an enchilada sauce, but this one is so simple to make and you could make it a few days ahead. So all you need to do is saute the onion, garlic, and olive oil in a pot on the stove on like medium heat. Stir regularly 10 minutes until translucent, and then you add spices and stir a little bit more on medium-low heat. Then it's time to add tomato sauce and chicken stock, and you simmer that for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low. Cool, and you can blend it if you want, but I usually don't. Look how gorgeous, 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 and it's delicious this homemade enchilada sauce is. All right, so it's time to actually smoke the chicken enchiladas, and to do that, you can prep your ingredients in advance as well. You need to start with cooked chicken, thawed or cooked corn kernels, and cheddar cheese. That's all gonna go on the inside. If you wanna add those sauteed onions and peppers you saw me make, you can. I have a recipe for making them really easy on the stove at Sip Bite Go. But basically that all goes in there. You roll up this large burrito-sized tortilla, or you could use more traditional Mexican corn tortillas for this chicken enchilada recipe, but I like these big ones because one serving is a really good hearty enchilada. So you want to put the red enchilada sauce on the bottom of a pan that you can stick in the smoker, and then add the chicken enchiladas on top. Then add a little bit more enchilada sauce to cover them. Drizzle with some olive oil and top that all with some cheddar cheese. And then it's time to head out to your pellet smoker. So preheat the Traeger smoker to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use a stronger pellet flavor like hickory or mesquite. And you smoke them about 30 to 45 minutes until the top of the smoked chicken enchiladas is bubbly, and then it's ready to sprinkle with cilantro and serve with your favorite toppings and sides. There are a lot of steps to this recipe, but it's easy, delicious, and they cook in under an hour, so you just can't go wrong with that. Print out all the recipe steps for smoking chicken enchiladas at Sip Bite Go. And stay tuned because I have a lot of more delicious smoker, grill, and traditional oven recipes coming your way soon at Sip Bite Go. Well, until next time, you can find me in the kitchen devouring these tasty enchiladas. I have a couple other ways to smoke them, including air frying chicken enchiladas, to check out at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!